Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at some amazing tech that can make your room look really cool and wow your guests. As always, all products will be listed on the description, which you'll be able to check out for yourself, and do stick around till the end for more details on our giveaway to come. Do like and subscribe for more content like this, and make sure to hit the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. First up, we have the SMH Smart Studio Table. A table for your room which looks really cool as well as is full to the top with hidden tech features. For starters, the tabletop comes with a wireless charger in the middle. You can just drop your phone or wireless earbuds on the top and it will charge the supported devices automatically. The table also features a couple of USB ports on the side as well. So you can charge your devices which doesn't come with a wireless charge feature, which you can plug in using the cables and leave to charge. The table also comes with a 360-degree sound system on the sides. Speakers sound really good with a deep bass and proper audio clarity. You can connect to the table using Bluetooth, and also there's an aux port on the side, which you can plug in your devices using the aux cable as well. This will definitely pair up nicely with your room, giving both options of charging your devices and also with a super speaker system. Even though it looks like a very expensive piece of tech, the price is actually very decent comparatively with everything it brings to the table. Next on the list, we have something very important when it comes to having a smart home. Now, as you know, Google Home is an amazing AI assistant introduced by Google a few years back, which is with a few variations of the product itself. However, instead of the traditional Google Home device, I do love this one more simply because of the screen it comes with. Even though it's a little more on the pricey side, it will let you do all things you can do on the normal device and a whole lot more. Meet Google Nest Hub. On default, it will act as a smart digital photo frame. Plus, it has all the features of the Google AI assistants with the bonus of visual aids. You'll be able to control all your smart supported appliances from one spot in the house, such as your smart kitchen appliances, smart security devices, smart lighting like Philips Hue setup, your sound systems, and so much more. This will truly give a whole new meaning to a smart home where you are able to control all tech with one device from one place. Next up, we have one of my favorites on the list, Anker Nebula Capsule. This is a smart projector made by Anker, which is really portable due to its ultra-compact build and also features great picture and sound quality, which you will actually not expect from the size of the device at first. The device can be used using Bluetooth, HDMI, SD cards, and it can work both as a great portable projector as well as a sound box because of the amazing 360 surround sound it offers. The device can be powered up to 3 hours using one charge, and it'll be great for use in your home as well as your work just because of the tiny powerhouse it is. Next up, this device will make sure you and your smart devices will definitely get that extra boost to stay connected to the networks, no matter how far away and no matter how much signal strength is needed. Aris SurfBoard Max Pro. This is one of the first Wi-Fi systems that come with tri-band Wi-Fi 6 supported, which is the next new step in Wi-Fi technology, covering up to 6,000 square feet of space and giving really high speeds of internet, almost up to 600 Mbps. This also comes with a customized mobile app as well, which will help you to do everything from seeing who is connected to customizing network speeds of individual devices separately. This is also supported with Amazon Echo. You can connect the device with the Echo system and make sure your commands are done wirelessly from anywhere in the house as well. This is definitely a really good inclusion to your smart room setup, which will make sure all your smart devices stay connected with high-speed internet without any network drop in the process. Next on the list is something that will help you stay active, especially during these times where most of us are working from home. This is called the FlexiSpot Standing Desk Exercise Bike. This is basically an exercise bike with a table on top of it, which will help you cycle while you work, helping you to do your work as well as burn some calories while you're at it. The machine is made with a solid base and an adjustable seat, which you are able to set up as you like and customize to guarantee your safety during the so-called workouts. The base is fitted with wheels, which will help you in storing and moving the device and will lock in securely when you work, making sure it will not move an inch. The desk surface itself is large enough to accommodate laptops, books, and a whole lot more, and it will surely help you stay active and get your work done at the same time. Next, we have something to make your room look artsy and sound good. Meet Making Weather. This is a project designed to simulate clouds in the horizon, which has been taken to the next level with cool lighting and a great sound system hidden in the clouds. The cloud is suspended over the base using magnets built in the base, which keeps it suspended about 1 to 2 inches off the surface top, giving it the perfect illusion of a floating cloud. To make it look even better, the device is fixed with hidden lighting strips inside the cloud, making it flash with the music rhythm, which the sound is provided with the hidden speakers set inside it, which plays audio using Bluetooth. The cloud can be activated using both a remote and using the motion sensors on it. Making Weather is an interactive audio-visual sculpture that will play your music, light up with different colors, and bob midair to the beat, which will make a really cool addition to your smart room setup. Next on the line is a product that will help to keep your room smelling good as well as make it look nicer. Orion by Simply Diffuser. This is a simple gadget made by the manufacturers, combining an oil diffuser with some really cool lighting around it. All you have to do is pour in your fragrance oils and let the gadget do the rest. It will keep diffusing the fragrances till the oils run out, and then it will automatically shut off, keeping making the whole process out of your hands and also really safe. The diffuser itself comes in several models, which you can decide on which is the best for your room, and is covered with brilliant LED lights, which you can set to be in one color or to gradually shift from color to color. Whether you need to enhance your mood in a restful and purified place, or you need a sense of relaxation from the work stress, the Orion oil diffuser is a must-have for such occasions. Next, we have a gadget that is on top of its line and will make sure your room is kept clean and spotless all the time. MI Robot Vacuum Mop. This is a 2-in-1 feature of the usual Roomba type cleaners, which has both vacuum and mop features built into one machine, which will help you not only save time but also to save money spent on multiple devices. You can schedule the device to start cleaning on its own for a specific time of the day, and it will do just that. Vacuum the floors and mop it at the same time, making it so much more efficient than the competition. Thanks to its upgraded cameras and chipset, the device will map out your floors automatically, recognizing 30,000 feature points on your floor per second in order to make sure that the task is done efficiently and with the best possible route, avoiding obstacles and saving power. The robot is able to clean on many types of floors such as wood, tile, carpets, and is able to transfer from surface to surface by its own, even when there are small elevated obstacles such as carpets on its way. The machine will keep cleaning your floors and will return back to the charging dock when it's low on battery automatically, charge itself, and then will keep on going till all its tasks are done as planned. Next and finally, we have a product that is not that brand new, but something that is both practical and fun to have: Nanoleaf Canvas. This product comes in tiles, which are essentially really thin, light panels, which you can buy as many as you want and fix in as many as you like, in whatever design you want it to be. These can function both as decorative lights as well as functional lights, giving you so many colors and designs to design on your own. You can change colors and patterns to go with, either to have one color or to have light patterns shimmering through just by using the mobile app it comes with, making it all just one tap away. Also, to announce our giveaway for this time, we have partnered up with the Nanoleaf company and will be giving away 15 panels of Nanoleaf Canvas to one lucky subscriber of our channel. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe the channel. Make sure to click the bell icon as well in order not to miss the latest updates on new tech as well as on the giveaway. That's it for today, guys. Do let us know in the comments what you like the most and also what you'd like to see next. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and do click the bell icon as well so that you won't miss any of our videos to come. Stay healthy and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.